Hey everyone, this is Mike with DezinesbyEM, and today I'm going to show you some cards that I received. I received some happy mail for Valentine's Day. I was fortunate to participate in a card swap in a Facebook group that I am a member of, and so I wanted to show you the cards that I received. I did get permission to show you these, so let me show you. I'm excited. So the first card I received was from Anka Dumatrache, and I apologize if I pronounced your name wrong. This is really cool. It's on black cardstock, and then there's a red shadow frame, and then the white, and it's got this really cute or cool intricate heart. It's really neat. And then there's this trim that goes across, and it's vellum, and there's some hearts on it that look like they might have been heat embossed. Very cool. Obviously it's got the pink and white twine that's wrapped around it, which is really cool. And then there's this three-dimensional banner. It says Happy Valentine's Day with two red gems on either side. This is really neat. It's a really cool card. And when we do card swaps, we usually leave them blank on the inside so that we can regift them if we needed to. So this is really cool. Thank you so much, Anka. I appreciate this. The next card that I received was from Mrs. Kathleen Garnett. So this is the card that Kathleen sent. And this has this really cool background. Looks like there was some distress inks. And then this kind of feels like a heat embossed was on it. She did some heat resist or some other thing, I'm not quite sure, but I really love the distressing of the background. It's really neat. And then there's this really intricate thin die. It's a heart die with a bunch of swirls in it, and it looks like there's two of them stacked on top of each other, slightly offset. I really like that. And then embossed it says Sending Friendship down here at the bottom. That was a really cool card. It's awesome. And then it's a top folding. Very nice. Thank you so much, Kathy. I really appreciate that. This is cool. Very cool. So next up on my list, and this is from Miss Jody Samuelson. And this one is on a red cardstock. And on the top, it's popped up with some dimensionals with a shadow frame. It's a note of love. These cool hearts. I really love the distressing on these. There's like it appears to be dark or really a dark gray or dark black. It's really cool on the edges, and then they're off-centered from each other as well. And then there's a little bit of white to give them a little bit of highlight. Some red ribbon, some chevron ribbon going across the back. And then it's on a black shadow frame with a distressed pattern paper on the top. This is really nice. These are such cool cards. And then this one is stamped with this really cool, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's a little wiener dog. It says handmade by Jody Samuelson. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Jody. And again, I hope I'm pronouncing everybody's names correctly. And then my final card is a shaker card. Last but not least, I've never had a shaker card. I've always seen people make them. I've never made one. I've never received one. So when I got it and the little envelope was shaking, it was pretty cool. So this one is from Tammy Shifter. So thank you, Tammy. This one is on a red card base. And obviously there's a shaker mechanism in there. And there's all sorts of cool stuff in there. I'm going to hold it up so you guys can see it. There's stars and sequin and little tiny sequins. And they're all different colors. There's some pretty colors in there. Hopefully you can see those. So then there's this really pretty scalloped frame. And then it's kind of like an almost pink iridescent paper. And on the edges, it's below the scalloped frame. So it's on the inside, but then it's also the backing for this really cool shape of a heart. Also, love. Pretty cool. I really like that. And she put a little note inside of hers. Hope you like the card. I made it for you. It is not as nice as the one you sent, but I try. Thanks for being my partner. Well, I have to say, I do really enjoy this card, and I enjoyed everybody's card. So thank you guys so very much. I did make some of the cards that I sent to them. I did do a YouTube video on, and so I will link those down below. I think 3 of the cards that I sent I have a video on, so I'll link those in the description box below. So this is my card swap. I really enjoyed these cards. These are awesome. So thank you, ladies. I really appreciate this. This was a lot of fun. This was my first card swap that I've done. So I really wasn't sure what to expect or what to send. So I'm really happy. This was really a lot of fun, and I can't wait to do this again at another time. If anybody is interested in sending me some happy mail, I have my mailing address in the description box below as well. And thank you guys for joining. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe on my videos. Up on your screen now is a subscribe button and a recommended video. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye.